loved and cared for. That's the best part of having friends.
I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Singing with us.
I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Thanks for helping me find my locket, everyone. I really appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome, Tasha. It always makes me feel good when I can do something to help a friend.
Yeah, me too. And if we hadn't looked for your locket, we would have never found all the different places where animals build their homes.
I'd better be going now. I want to show my chick her new home.
It's time for me to go, too. Bye, Barney.
Bye-bye.
Barney.
So long.
Bye.
Take care now.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.